Guys, Miguel here with a quick video. This is Mansfield toilet repair. What we're doing over here is we are repairing the flush valve seal, and to do this you just gotta move that over like that to release it from the lever. You're gonna twist this just like that so that you can lift this part, and there is the broken part right there. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed with my left hand and see how it goes. But for the most part, this thing is already done and it's all corroded. So we're gonna change it out with this one. And let me see where I can put this down. Put it in the sink. And then this one will just go in. And then it'll be going into the groove. Just like that. There you go. That's what it looks like properly installed. Don't mind the old rubber. This one can just go back down, slide it back in, and then put the cap back on. And then what we're gonna do is we are going to let the water fill and see if it works. And what it was doing earlier was it was filling endlessly because the water was just leaking through. And now it should work. Sealed on the bottom. And it's gonna be about a 3-minute video. So now it's at its maximum level. We're gonna flush it. I'm gonna put this back over here in a second, but that's how you fix a Mansfield toilet fill and flush valve seal. Just like that. Thanks for watching.